Yes, sir. Good evening.
Sir, please share your screen.
Yes, now you are
Okay.
able to see.
Now you take the SAP logo. Means you open the that's what. Screen recording. Okay, so this is the and here we can select the server if the server is there. So first of all, we have to create the server, right? Not that one. That variable logo near to that variable logo, you can see a create button, right? Yeah, that's one. Click on it. Click on connect. User specified system. Yeah, that one. Double click on it. Yeah. Here, I have sent one screenshot to the to our WhatsApp group. Please take it, and you have to fill all that areas in description, instance number, SAP router, SAP server, everything.
How to fill, sir?
Just a minute, I can't hear you. Yeah, tell me.
How to fill the details?
In our WhatsApp group, I have sent the screenshot.
Yes, yes, I have a screenshot. What description, what need to fill here?
Just a minute. Let me take it for everybody. This thing will be different, so I have to check. Just a minute. Hold on.
Mine is 8th number, sir.
Okay. Just hold on.
Choose the connection.
Yeah. In description, you type capital letter EC2. Yeah. Now, what is next?
Where is this EC2, sir?
Okay. Now, next it is.
What is this EC2?
System ID. Okay. So in system ID, you give EC2 only.
Sir, what is EC2?
That is the code. This is the code for this server.
Okay.
This all this thing will be provided from the institution.
Okay.
Now instant number 00. Okay. Now next is system ID. System ID given, right? Okay. So
No.
next is SAP. Nothing is there. Okay. Now application server. Yeah, application server is 20.219.132.2.
Sir?
Yeah, just type that in that application server.
10?
Not 10. Starting is 20.
20?
Yeah, 20.
Okay.
Point .132.2. Okay. After that, you click on next.
The checkbox.
No,
we
no,
need
no,
to
no,
check.
no. Just click on next. Again, click on next. Next. Sorry, finish.
Here,
Finish.
language.
No, nothing's necessary. Click on finish. Yeah. So now you can see this is your server. Okay.
Yes, yes, sir.
So double click on your server. So you will enter to your server. Okay. So here you can see client username password. Client will be same for everybody and username and password will be different. So you take the that also I have sent a screenshot. You open it and check your username and password and type your username password and press enter. So you will log into your SAP account and you can see your home screen. Okay, you just do it. I will check it.
What I have to give here? Username.
Yeah, I have sent the username and password of everybody. In that you take your particular username password and type it.
Okay, sir. One second. Username. Username. Sir, password by default is there. Sir,
Sorry, you just type the password. The dot will be appear then there only. You just type it. What is the password?
EME at 123.
Yeah, okay. Then you just in small letter you type EME 123.
Okay.
Enter, press enter. So this is the home screen of your SAP means your account. So from here I have taken the class right. You just try. You just practice it. Okay.
Okay.
And if there is any doubt, you just have most of the errors and logs has been discussed. If there is, you just I think our Dheeraj is practicing right now, so you can discuss with him. And if both of you don't know the how to solve it, you just contact me. Okay.
Okay. Oh, Dheeraj, we need to talk, so no?
Half an hour, 1 hour ago, he just asked me some doubts, and I cleared it. So you just practice how to do it. Okay.
No, yesterday's task is with me, sir, because yesterday you said I am there because this software is not installed in the previous class for me. So,
So yesterday and all you didn't write down the notes.
yeah, yesterday's I have, sir. Yesterday's I have, but previous classes, this software is not there with me.
That no problem. We just discussed company code and business area. That's all.
Okay.
So you know the codes and all, right? How to create company code and the codes, right?
The company creation, that first class is there, no, sir. Yesterday I'm there. First class, I don't have software. That's why I'm not done.
No, the first class and the second class has been is same. There is nothing new I have taken right now. Just company and company code business area. All these three has been taken. Because
Okay.
in the first class, after finishing class, the students face so many errors and problems. So I solved all the errors and all, and
Okay.
I repeated that class
Now
again.
our task is to create a company, sir.
First you create company, and after that you create company code, and you assign the company to company code. After that you create business area. This fourth step has been taken for 2 days. Okay. From
Company code, business,
business, no, company code,
uh,
assigning company to company code, then only business area. Okay.
assigning company to company code. Next, fourth one is business area.
Yeah.
This
And you
four
know
will,
what is company code business area, right?
yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. And the code also you know, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So you do practicing. And if there is any doubt, I think Dheeraj is more familiar. Means he is doing very well, I think.
Who, sir?
So
Dheeraj.
yeah, Dheeraj. So
Okay, sir.
if there is any doubt, you ask to him. If he also don't know, you just contact me.
Okay, sir. Okay. Thank you. Thank you very much.
Okay. Welcome.
Okay, sir. Bye, sir. Bye, sir.
Okay, bye.